Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. Alright, so you've had your stays, you've worn them a couple of times, they're smelling a bit sweaty, a bit funky, and you've got to wash them. But how? Because your hand sewn eyelets, you're boning, you can't just chuck it in the washing machine, whether you have a washing machine with an agitator or not. If you do it on a delicate wash, it still runs the risk of something going wrong. So I'm going to show you how I hand wash my stays. Now this is by no means a be all and end all. I have how you do this. This is just how I do this. So you may want to do this also. Right, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the lacing in the back. I like how it is. I like the distance and everything is, and that's going to stay there. I'm going to remove the lacing from the front. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm then going to bundle up my lacing so I don't lose it, and shove it in my pocket. Right, now the next step is to open it up, and when I do hand wash, I'm going to pay special attention to my underarm areas, because I did wear these ones to Armageddon and I sweated like a horse. Right, so there's no obvious humongous stains that I need to pay special attention to, so it's just going to be a general hand wash. The next step is I'm going to fill up my tub and put a little bit of laundry detergent in there. Okay, so we've got our tub filled up with our laundry detergent. We're going to place our stays in. I'm using cold water. I don't want any dye to run, even though this is supposed to be, dye fast, and I pre-washed my fabric. You never really know. Just gonna rub around the underarm area, get any possible smells out. And I'm gonna just agitate it in the water like this. And then I'm going to leave it to sit there for about 10 minutes before I rinse. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. You're going to squeeze gently as much out as we can. And we're going to empty out this tub and refill it with just cold water, nothing else. Okay, so we have our water. We're going to place our wet stays inside. And we're just going to gently agitate. Hold on. There we go. Is your sleeves on up? We're going to agitate and just gently move it around. Get any soapy water. Nelly, this is cold. In a minute, darling. And then we're going to leave that to sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so our stays have been sitting for another 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is pick up our stays, gently squeeze as much out as we can and empty out this water. Now we're going to get a towel, lay out our towel, we're going to lay our stays fully open.
I'm going to get you. Yeah.
Fully open and laid out on the towel. Key to this process is you're going to want a 2-year-old playing around in the back garden whilst you're doing this, and you are the monster in this game. Right, now we're going to take our towel, fold it, and we're just going to roll it up like this. Roll it up, and we're just going to gently press on this until we feel dampness all the way through the towel on this outermost layer.
This is the sun.
It is sunny today.
Is this the sun?
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Quick.
Okay. Going to roll our stays back out. And we're going to dry them flat, like this, in the full sun. Now, because my lining is white, I'm going to leave it to dry about 75% of the way, with the white lining facing up, because I don't want sun bleaching on my colour, and I would like some sun bleaching on the inside of my stays to, delay the eventual yellowing of my fabric. So I'm going to use the sun's power to my advantage today. So we're going to dry this about 75% of the way with the lining facing up, and then we'll flip it over and dry it the rest of the way with the colour facing up. Now I am line drying my stays flat. I do not want to hang it because I do not want anything to shift or to warp or to stretch. There we go, it's now dry. All I have to do is put the lacing in it. So I'm gonna just going to do the bottom 2 sets of holes, and then I'm going to go straight up here to the top hole, just so that it can be in its most ready to wear lacing position, and the laces aren't going to be dangling everywhere. And I'll take the lacing and I will do this and this, and then there we go, done. Here we go, here's a lovely clean set of stays, and I'll just hang that up in a hanger, and they're ready to go for a couple of more wears. So that is how I clean my stays. It's not necessarily the be all and end all of washing stays, but that is how I do it. So thank you for watching this video today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up or thumbs down. I don't really care. You do you. Any interaction you have with our video down below helps us please our algorithm overlords and helps us make new friends. Bye.